Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to English class. Okay, in previous class we have completed Studio Children till here, page number 60. Isn't it 4.3 we have completed? Before that, we missed one thing, children, in page number 59. See, with your parents, prepare a recipe for friendship. Okay, in 4a companion it is there, children. You have to do it by your uh, own, by taking your parents help. In 4a companion, that is page number 25. Okay, see, with the help of your parents, prepare a friendship recipe. Fill in the blank in the steps with the required ingredients. That means you have to prepare a recipe. Recipe means what? Vantakam. ఒక వంటకంని తయారు చేయాలి. ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ ఆల్సో దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ రియల్ రెసిపీ. ఓకే, మనం ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్తో చేసే రెసిపీ కాదు, కానీ అది ఒక ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ రెసిపీ. ఓకే, లెట్స్ సీ ద ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్. ఇంగ్రీడియంట్ మీన్స్ ఆ రెసిపీ చేయడానికి కావాల్సినవి. ఓకే, 2 tablespoons of trust, heaping measures of love, equal amounts of generosity, half tablespoon each of laughter and care, portions of sincerity, understanding and smiles, and finally no hate. Like that they have given some ingredients, children. Now what you have to do? Now fill in the blanks in the recipe below suitably. That means ingredients ఇచ్చారు. ఇప్పుడు ప్రాసెస్ అనమాట. రెసిపీ చేసే ప్రాసెస్లో మనకి ఇచ్చిన ఇంగ్రీడియంట్స్ని యూజ్ చేస్తూ ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్ చేయాలి. చూడండి, పుట్ ఇన్ 2 heaping measures of love and several cups of generosity and 2 equal amounts of laughter and care. Mix the ingredients well. Like that you have to do. Again, it's their recipe in page number 26 also. It is continued. Okay, like this you have to fill these, children. For example, I have filled these blanks in this page. 3 blanks I have filled now. Like that you have to fill this recipe and answer these questions. Okay, with the help of your parents. This is your homework, children. Okay, today your homework is 4a in companion to fill these blanks. Okay, next let's go back to our studio. Okay, this one is completed and this one we have completed. Now see 4.4. See, children, while I am reading, please listen carefully. Ajay spent time playing with his friends at home. They have just finished playing for the day and have gone back to their respective homes. That means అజయ్ వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో చాలాసేపు ఆడుకున్నాడు. అండ్ వాళ్ళు మొత్తం ఆడుకోవడం అంతా అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఎవరి ఇంటికి వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళిపోయారు అనమాట. లుక్ ఎట్ ది సీన్స్ డిపిక్టెడ్ బిలో. In simple sentences, write what each person is doing. That means Ajay friends, they have went to their homes. Now see the pictures and write in simple manner what they are doing. See here what he is doing. He is eating food. Like this I have written Ajay is eating food. And next another person, you can give your own any name. I am giving Rahul. Okay, Rahul is painting. Okay, Rahul is painting. Okay, Rahul is painting and this boy is playing with his pet. Okay, Ram is playing and Sheila. Okay, write name Sheila doing. Sheila is doing her homework. Sheila is doing homework. Sheila is doing. Okay, children, like this. You have to write by looking at the pictures. You have to write the sentences. I have given by my own these names. You can write your favorite names also there. Okay, now let's turn our pages 62. See, let's see what it's there. Read aloud the following examples. Underline the verbs in the each sentence. Verb means what, children? Verb means, yes, action word. We have to underline the action word also in this sentence. Now see, Varun eats his lunch and does his homework. Eats is a action word, isn't it? And does is a action word. And Radha plays is action word, and sleeps in her own room. Okay, next. The boy jumps. Jumping is a action word or not? Yes. The boy jumps and plays with his puppy. Plays. And next, Rita and Sita are friends. Okay, here verb is are. Okay, they are being friends, no? Here are is action word. It is a verb. Now, see children, in each sentence, one word is highlighted. What is this? Yes, and. And why the and is highlighted here, children? Because here and is joining two sentences. See, the boy jumps. The boy jumps, plays with his puppy. That means two actions ni and అనే వర్డ్ యాడ్ చేస్తుంది. సి వరుణ్ హీట్స్ హిస్ లంచ్ అదొక సెంటెన్స్, డస్ హిస్ హోంవర్క్ అదొక సెంటెన్స్. టూ యాక్షన్స్ని తను ఒక టూ సెంటెన్సెస్ని యాడ్ చేస్తుంది. ఏ వర్డ్ యాడ్ చేస్తుంది? అండ్ ఈజ్ యాడింగ్. ఓకే, లెట్స్ సీ చిల్డ్రన్. అబ్జర్వ్ హౌ ద వర్డ్ అండ్ జాయిన్స్ వర్డ్స్ ఆర్ సెంటెన్సెస్ టుగెదర్ to form a single sentence, isn't it? To form a single sentence, it's joining two sentences. Otherwise, without and how it will be? See, Varun eats his lunch, does his homework. No, it's not making sense. At the same time, we have to write it as two sentences. That means Varun eats his lunch and full stop, and next sentence Varun does his homework. Like that we have to write without and. If we are placing and, we can join it as one sentence. Okay, and is a conjunction or linking word. Linking means kalapadam. Conjunction, junction, you know, like that. In junction, two roads or three roads will get joined. Like that, conjunction means it will join two words or two sentences to make it as a single sentence. Okay, a conjunction is a word that connects words or groups of words with each other. If maybe only one word, see it's joining Rita only one word and Sita also one word. It's joining two words or two groups of words. This is a group of words and this is a group of words. That means two sentences also is joining. And for example, see children here, Varun eats his lunch, that is one sentence, plus Varun listens to music. These two are two sentences. Now how we can write by using conjunction? Varun eats his lunch and listen to music. Isn't it? Rayachaman Malaga? Yes, we can write like that. Okay, like this we have to write two sentences by using conjunction into one sentence. See children, the conjunction and helps connect actions, words or sentences. This conjunction will help us to connect words, actions or sentences also. This is the introduction part of the conjunction, children. Tomorrow we will go with the exercise on this conjunction. Okay, do the homework in companion and complete all this. Okay, please complete this and send to me in WhatsApp, children. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.